Hey everyone, let's sign together. This is the letter A. This is the letter B. This is the letter C. This is the letter D. This is the letter E. This is the letter F. This is the letter G. This is the letter H. This is the letter I. This is the letter J. This is the letter K. This is the letter L. This is the letter M. This is the letter N. This is the letter O. This is the letter P. This is the letter Q. This is the letter R. This is the letter S. This is the letter T. This is the letter U. This is the letter V. This is the letter W. This is the letter X. This is the letter Y. This is the letter Z.